Hello, yeah, welcome to this tutorial. It's a pleasure having you. Okay, in this tutorial, we'll be doing cartoon motion, okay, which will be creating our cartoon and trying to set reactions for our cartoon. So we can set different reactions like walking, like dancing, sitting, clapping, running, any reaction. So now we're creating this. So once we are done creating it using this app, which is IMVU app, okay, then we'll move to the editing aspect, okay, where we can add some more effects to our avatar. Okay, so now if you don't have an account here, okay, of course you have to sign up first, so you can join um either by you can continue with Apple, with Facebook, or join by email. Okay, so now what I'll do now is to click on join by email. So I want to create this from scratch. I already have one account with them before, but so I'll be selecting an avatar. Okay, so we have a guy and a lady. Okay, so we're gonna choose a guy, fine. We're gonna choose a lady, fine. But for this, let me just try out a lady for this particular one. Okay, now the next thing, now once you've selected her, is to choose the way you want her to look. Okay, like her hair, eyes, heads, and skins. Okay, so if you're not so okay with this hair, you can choose another style. You can say I click on this, you can see what we have here. Okay, click on this. Okay, so let's just go over and look for another hairstyle. Okay, so now let's move to the eyes. You can choose the way you want our eyes to look like. Okay, then you can see now, so the heads, you can choose the heads if you want. The skin, you can change the color of our skin, but I think I'm cool with this. Okay, so let me just click on select clothings. You can see, so you can select the kind of dress you want her to wear. You can choose this, you can choose this, any clothes you want her to wear. Okay, so this. All right, so let me just select a dress here. Let me check this out. Okay, let me just go with this. So the next thing is to do now, you can rotate her with your hand and just see how she looks. Okay, so the next thing I'll be going with now is you know um we have bottoms here, which has to do with, let me look for one I could use. Okay, I have these. I can choose our shoes as well. I can change our shoes. Okay, so the next thing to do now is to kind of accessories. You can change accessories like a necklace, earring, glasses. You can give her glasses if you want. Okay, but yeah, I just don't want this. Okay, so the next thing that we're doing now is to I can change a necklace. Let me just look for something like, let me check this out. Okay, so the next thing that we're doing now, once you are done, you can change a earring. You can change a earring. Let's give her something like this. So let's check that out. Okay, and nails as well. Change our nails. So let's figure that out. I see our nails. Okay, then the next thing is, once you are satisfied with what you just did, you can just click on save look. So perhaps if you want to change something, you can still go back to clothing here and change. You can select clothing, select different things if you still want to change it. Okay. Right. Well, let me just go with this, the one I choose earlier. So once you are done, just have to click on save look. Okay, click on save look. So once you are done, the next thing is to what, enter your details, your name, the name you want to use, and you can just choose this, and you can just choose the can just choose any your details and every other thing. So once you are done, I already have an account here before. So once you are done, you just click on join now. Okay, all right. So once, so you can see now I'm done um with my registration. So what I have to do now is, you can see we have our avatar here. We have our avatar here. So what I'll do next is to so now we want to set a reaction or reactions for our avatar. So what I'll do is to click on go shopping. So once I click on go shopping, I can set the kind of reaction I would like my avatar to perform. So I just click on, let's say I want to click on sitting avatar. Okay, so you can see different reactions, different actions that are being performed here. So you can just go with anyone you are okay with. Okay, I go with anyone you're okay with. Let me go with this. Okay. Okay, so once you are done, the next thing is, so you can see what we have here. Okay, so once you are done, the next thing is to add to cart. So you can see add one item to cart. Okay, you add to cart. Okay, so you can still go back again and add more, more actions. You can just click on the back arrow and search for different things. We just search for sitting avatar, right? So now you can search for, let's say, walking avatar. So once we are done with our with we're choosing our avatars, now we can now go over and start doing the other editing. Okay, so we have sexy working here. Let's check this out. Okay, you can see, right? Look at so you have different actions here. So let's just click on add one item to cart. So we now have two items now. Okay, so the next thing is to click on back again to choose another, you know another one. So you can say dancing avatar. Okay, so you have different ones here. This is one over here. Let's check this out. You can see, if you don't want this, you can go back and select another one. Okay, can go with, you can just choose anyone you feel like, anyone you want. She's in dancing. She's not dancing. Why? Let's wait. I don't think this one was gonna dance. Let's just go back and choose another avatar since she refuses to dance. Okay, let's check this out. Okay, now she's dancing now. Okay, so let's just add to cart. We now have three, right? Okay, the next. Wow, I'm not choosing this. Remove this. I don't want. I don't want this. Okay, we have one, two. This one. Let me check out this. I don't get it. No, I don't want this one. Remove this one as well. Remove from cards. I don't want. So you just go on and on to choose your your avatars and the reaction or the actions you want them to perform. So once you are done, the thing is now it is time to purchase this. Okay, so you were given free coins whenever you sign up, so you can buy the avatar with coins you get and the likes. But so per adventure, if you exhaust the coins you are given, so how do you go about it? So I want to show us a trick now. That's what I'll be using. So what I'll do is, for example, now if I want to go with this first scene here, which is this sitting, so I click on it. I'm gonna click uh on this here. So I'll click on this as well to open it. So once I open it, what I'll do is to move this up like so. Okay, so I'll try to move this up like so. So I'll be making use of a screen recorder. Okay, a screen recorder. You can use a screen recorder, X recorder, or the screen recorder that comes with your phone. Okay, so because we don't want to purchase this, right? So once you are recording the screen, you can now move it around the way you want it to look like. Yes, move it around like so, move it around. Okay, okay, and just do your adjustment like so. Okay, so once you are done screen recording, then you save it. That's the first thing. Okay, so now the next one, let me just go back. Let me go back. The next thing, you come back to the next thing as well and do the same thing. Okay, just gonna move it around. You can see. Okay, move it around, and that's it. Okay, so you screen record it, and once you are done, you stop it as well and you save it. That's just the trick here. Okay, since we don't want to pay, then after you are done doing everything, we're just gonna edit it with our edit with our video editing app. Okay, you can see this now. Okay, right, you can edit this as well, and that's how you go about all of that. Okay, so once you are done with recording it, then we're going to move into doing the editing. Okay, so that's what I'll be doing next in the next video. Right. Okay, bye for now.